If everything is one, why do planets have different effects? This question comes up again and again. If reality is one, if consciousness is non-dual, then why do planets behave differently? Why does Saturn restrict? Why does Jupiter expand? Why does Mars agitate? At first glance, it looks like a contradiction, but it is not. Then where the confusion starts? The confusion begins when oneness is misunderstood. Oneness does not mean uniformity. It does not mean everything behaves the same way. It means everything shares the same source. One electricity, many appliances. The source is one, the functions are different. Always remember that function does not break unity. In Vedanta, unity is about essence, not about role. Fire burns, water flows, air moves. No one says these elements contradict oneness. Difference in function does not mean difference in reality. Planets are not personalities in the sky. They are functional principles within the cosmic order. Saturn represents structure and limitation. Jupiter represents expansion and meaning. Mars represents energy and assertion. Different functions, same intelligence. Just like the human body has one life force but different organs. The cosmos has one intelligence but different functional expressions. That's what we need to understand. And astrology maps these expressions. Vedanta reminds us they all arise from one reality. Let's understand that why effects differ in individual lives. If the source is one, why do effects feel so personal? Because functions interact with individual conditioning. The same sunlight hardens clay and melts wax. The sun doesn't change, the medium does. Planets don't do things to you, they activate patterns already present. Astrology reveals interaction, not imposition. One must understand that non-duality is not denial of experience. This is important to understand. Non-duality does not cancel difference. It explains difference without fragmentation. Experience vary, roles vary, outcomes vary. The underlying reality does not vary. So why this argument dissolves fear? When planets are seen as expressions of order, not external punishers, fear reduces. Saturn is no longer cruel. Mars is no longer violent. Rahu is no longer chaotic. They are functional intelligences doing their work. Understanding replaces superstition. Without this understanding, astrology becomes fatalistic or mythological or emotionally charged. But with this clarity, astrology becomes precise, it becomes ethical and empowering. Unity does not erase diversity, it explains it. Difference does not threaten truth, it expresses it. The book does not argue for astrology, it explains why astrology can exist in a non-dual framework. When this is clear, the false conflict disappears. If everything is one, then planets are not exceptions, they are expressions. Understanding this is the beginning of mature astrology. Planets are not objects imposing results, they are forces shaping experience. This idea runs through every chapter of my book, Vedic Astrology through the lens of Advaita Vedanta. These videos are introductions. The book is where the dialogue becomes complete and rigorous. So in the next video, we will go deeper into responsibility, karma, choice, and planetary influence. Who is really acting? That's where freedom becomes practical.